Make it take my name, I'm gonna spouse you and make it touch your ring. I'm gonna take you all the way. Baby, can I take you all the way? You sexy motherfucker.
Hey y'all, hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brittany, aka Be The Beat. And girl, I know it's been a minute. But your girl just been driving down bad. But this video is my peace offering to you for you to forgive me and just know that I'm gonna get my motherfuckers together. I'm really trying to get my motherfuckers together, okay? But subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, if this is your first video you've ever seen of mine, welcome. Over here we get litty. We do hair videos, makeup videos, vlogs, basically all the things the girls like, okay? This is a girls channel. We do the things the girlies like, okay? So anything you want to see, wind down, chit chats, girl talks, makeup, everything, all the things, we do it over here. And if you are not new here, welcome back, friend. Thank you for sticking with me. I have been seeing y'all's comments. I literally just saw my girl's comment last night. My girl, Simply Miss Kara, I saw your comment last night, girl, and it really just brought tears to my eyes because I miss y'all too. I miss my channel. I miss interacting with y'all. I don't really know what's gotten into me, but I'm trying to shake that muck off so I can get back to y'all. And thank you for sending that comment, girl, because it really gave me the boost. I literally wiped my tears and picked my laptop up and edited this video last night. So thank you, girl. But anyway, this video is I'm just styling my blonde hair. I bleached my hair a few weeks ago and I filmed this video of me styling it, but I just never edited it. So here we are. My hair look a mess right now, so that's kind of been holding me back at the moment. I'm trying to wait for my birthday to bleach my hair again because my birthday is in a week. My birthday is April 9th, and so I'm trying to wait to bleach my hair so it can be fresh for my birthday. Even though I don't have any birthday plans right now, I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. I just know I want to be out of this funky ass mood by the time my birthday rolls around. I will be turning the big 30. Like, girl, I ain't gonna lie, that's been a big part of the reason I've been kind of down in the dumps. Not the fact that I'm turning 30. I'm very excited to be 30. It's the fact that I don't have nearly all my ducks in a row and I'm finna be 30. Like, that's crazy. I'm trying to like get over it and just realize that, girl, this is your life. You're not racing anybody. This is literally your journey. So just pray for me, girl. Y'all probably hear Ryder in the back. I'm hiding in the laundry room to do this voiceover and he don't know where I'm at. Yeah, like I was saying, I just kind of been down, but anyway, I ain't gonna bore y'all with that too much. I do have a vlog coming. I have been vlogging, I just have not been editing. Haven't been vlogging nearly as much as I should have been, but I do have footage that I need to edit. So you'll kind of get more in depth with that topic in the vlog. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do my hair after I done babbled on for 4 minutes. But anyway, if you know, you know, we like to talk over here, and here come Ryder again. But for all my blonde hair girlies, this one's for you. All my bald head scallywags ain't got no hair in the back, this one's for you. Yeah, shop all the products down below. They'll be linked in the description box, and I have another blonde video coming soon because of course I'm gonna film it when I bleach it for my birthday. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all get into it, play the jams, and I love y'all.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Hey,
you
go
dreaming
ahead,
about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Ain't that way bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I think when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and on the main one flying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave it on the main one flying? Just tryna be you every time. You fight me and the main trying. You blame me and the main lying. You blame me and the
Your love is fading, I feel it. Roll up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I love it, I wanna, I'm trying to feel it.
I come fluttering in front of the time can never stop me. No, 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 no. I know you right. I come riding in on a big white horse, selling now I do less fortunate. I do as I do run it. Run it out back when you're breaking it down for me, 'cause I can hear you too. Times running off that, will it ever make sense to me? I got to do things my own way, darling. Will you ever let me? Will you ever respect me? No. Do things my own way, darling. You should just let me. Why you would never let me grow? When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. Let me cover your shit in glitter, I can make it go. Heard you tryna sell yourself, baby. Why don't I see you running low lately? I needed you to please give my reflection a break. From the face it's tea now. Oh, darling, would you mind giving my reflection a break? From the pain it's feeling now. I got to do things my own way, darling. You should just let me. Will you ever respect me? No. Do things my own way, darling. You should just let me. Why you ain't never let me grow? When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Whip, body, grip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. Way been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Okay, y'all, so this tutorial is, well, I ain't even gonna call this a tutorial. This is hair therapy. This is finger wave and vibe with me, okay? Because this is not an in-depth tutorial. If you want to see more in-depth tutorials on finger waves, I definitely have them on my channel. Check out the playlist that I will have linked at the end of the video. But this video was just more so, let's catch up, let's do our hair together, let's hear my kid interrupt my voiceover in the background. But it's cool, okay? Because y'all know Ryder, if you're not new here, y'all know y'all nephew back here. But anyway, get into these waves, boo, because I can't lie, I eat them up every time, okay? But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you just enjoyed vibing out with me and seeing my face again on your YouTube screen, okay? Hopefully y'all are still subscribed. Like, hopefully y'all ain't deleted me off your accounts yet. But anyway, I love y'all. Yes, baby.
Okay, alright. Now, show me the monsters.
You want to say hello since you in here and you interrupting the voiceover? You
Mommy?
want to tell them hello?
Show me the monsters.
Okay. Where are the monsters?
Right there.
Oh Lord. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go now. I did not show the hair in like a full makeup look or anything afterwards, but girl, y'all know how I get down. Okay. But stay tuned. I do have a vlog, like I said, to edit, and it'll be coming soon. And then of course, April, I'm gonna make it my duty to pick back up and really just dedicate myself back to y'all. So be on the lookout. I love y'all so much. Thank you for being patient with me as always.
Mommy,
I love y'all.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Those are monsters.
Oh yeah. Y'all, we in the laundry room in the dark. That's why he keep talking about monsters. Anyway, y'all, bye. Peace and love.